Hi, it's Miss Carla. Let's learn a new sound. This sound has not one, not two, but 3 letters in it. An I, a G, and an H. And whenever they're together, they say I. Can you say it with me? I. 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 Brilliant! Make sure you're looking and listening for the I sound. Light. L-I-T. Light. This part of your leg is your thigh. I. Thigh. You've learnt the th sound before. These children are having a little bit of a fight. I-T. Fight. The moon and the stars only come out at night. N-I-T. Night. All of these are pictures of eyes. We use our eyesight. S-I-T. Sight. This man is a knight. N-I-T. Night. And here we have a plane that's about to take flight. F-L-I-T. Flight. I've got some extra I words. Can you think of the words that go with these pictures? Fantastic listening, everybody. Let's practice writing our 3 letters. We say down the insect and dot. Around the girl's face, down and curl. Down and up over the horse's back. Can you practice it with me now? Down the insect and dot. Around the girl's face, down and curl. Down the horse and up over his back. Well done. How many can you write? Here are the 3 words I'd like you to write. Sigh. She let out a big sigh. Sigh. Tight. He hugged her very tight. Tight. And bright. The sun was very bright. Sigh. Tight. And bright. Use your letters and sounds. Take your time and try your very best. Here are your answers. Sigh. S-I. Sigh. Tight. T-I-T. Tight. And your challenge word was bright. B-R-I-T. Bright. Give yourself some ticks if you got it correct. And if you made a mistake, that's okay. You can fix it up now. Everybody makes mistakes sometimes. Are you ready to race me to say these sounds? Ready, steady, go. Shh. J. Z. W. X. Qu. Y. A. Z. Ch. E. And can you remember our new sound from today? I. Well done! You have learnt another sound. You are so clever. I'll see you next time.